If you have Bodum Columbia French press or travel press and you need a replacement, stay tuned because we have very important information for you. Hi there, Igor here from FrenchPressCoffee.com. We have a lot of questions about Bodum Columbia and travel press. Lately, Bodum changed the design of this filter. So if you look here, this is how the new filter looks like. And this is the old filter. And as you see, it's different in color. This is black, this is white, this is the new design. And the difference here is, as you see here, you're gonna see the small knob. And what it does, it helps actually to protect your French press. They changed the design right here. So as you see here, the old design worked a little bit differently. So if you look this filter, so this is how you install it. You just screw this in like this, and there is the metal part, metal knob, which is supposed to be here. And that's fine, because now with new design, you no longer need this knob anymore. So if you receive the new filter from Bodum, and you can order it, we have all sizes here, and we'll cover the size. So if you unscrew this, you no longer need this, because if you have this metal knob here, you'll not be able to screw this in. So this is how the new design works. You just screw this in like this, and that's it. So this is how it works, and it works just perfect. That's it, presto, it works. Also, we have a lot of questions about the filter sizes. If you have Bodum travel press, and it looks like that, it may have different design, but what you have to look is this filter inside. It also works for the Bodum travel press. If you're not sure which size you need, we just made this draft, so it looks like this. You can go to our website, FrenchPressCoffee.com. We're gonna place the link here also, so you can print this list. And all what you have to do is just match your filter size. So this is gonna be your 12 cup, this is gonna be your 8 cup, and this is gonna be your 3 cup. So if they match, you will know exactly which one you need to order. We'll also have all diameters or all measurements on our website. This is it. This is a quick tutorial how to measure and install the Bodum filter for Columbia and the travel press. If you still have any questions, feel free to call us, email us, just go to our website. We have great, amazing information about different kinds of products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you're not gonna miss any latest news and updates from us. And most importantly, drink French press coffee because we know it is good for you. Take care, guys.